There you go. These are the culprits. Good morning, everyone. So I'm here in my pumpkin, taking care of it. So the other day, I removed already the covering that I put because they are growing good. But then, yesterday afternoon, we saw a lot of chickens in here. So it's a neighbor's chicken actually. And I'm afraid they might eat the leaves of my pumpkin because all around in here in the fence, in our wall, they dig. I don't know what they are looking for in the walls. Maybe some insects to eat. That's why now I am putting screen to protect from those chickens. We work hard for this already. We put fertilizer, water every day. That's why I don't like that our hard work will put into nothing. Okay, so I think this is good enough for protection. And it's growing healthy. There. Let me show how my pumpkin look like now. Look guys, isn't it healthy? Yes, they look nice and growing every day. Look at this pumpkin. Also, let's check the utong or the string beans. There. I can say doing good as well. So, now it's time to water them. Before watering, let me show you those holes that the chicken made. There, they dig all those holes. Yesterday we don't have this, like that, there, and there. On this side, they dig this kind. I can even see a feather of chicken. Yeah, they dig all this. That's why I'm afraid they might dig our string beans, pumpkin, pomegranate. We even have a new plant in here, bell pepper, the red bell pepper. This, that's why we put also screen. Those are the bell peppers. We have two in here. Okay, so diligan natin yung ating pumpkin. Ayan. Dapat naman kasi yung mga alaga nilang manok kinukulong para hindi makaperwisyo ng kapitbahay. Kasi sayang naman yung aming pagod sa pagtatanim. Of course, we invested time already. Ayan guys, oh, nahuli ko yung isa, rooster. These are the ones digging our wall, our soil, dirt. Oh look, that's my pumpkin in there. Oh my God, caught in the act. You are there. So my pumpkin is very safe. We put a screen. Hi everyone, it's cooking time. So right now I am boiling chicken meat. So I have here the water, pinch of salt, and ginger there. Boil this for a few minutes until the chicken meat are tender. Okay, so I see you later. And I'm back kasi tender na yung chicken meat. So I will separate the chicken meat from the broth. Okay, so continue natin ang pagluluto. I separated already the chicken meat from the broth. So this is the tender chicken meat. At eto na yung chicken broth. Lagay natin dyan. At umpisahan na ang pagluluto. So guys, I'm using the same pot. Hindi ko na siya hinugasan. So maglalagay lang ako ng unsalted butter. Ayan, so i-melt lang natin yung butter. I use the unsalted one. Nawin lang natin yung butter. Then, I will put garlic or yung ating tinatawag na bawang. Saute until aromatic. And gustong-gusto ko yung taste ng ginger, kaya maglalagay ako ng ginger. Mabango na siya. Saute lang natin few minutes. Yung medyo mag-brownish siya. Konti pa. Ayan. Then, I will add the chicken meat. Maglalagay din ako ng fish sauce or patis. Okay, mix lang natin. Lutuin natin for around 1 minute is okay. hayaan nating i-absorb ng chicken meat yung ating fish sauce or patis. Okay na, so let's add the chicken broth. Ooh, ayan. Matagal na akong nagki-crave ng chicken arroz caldo. If you remember, I posted that we caught flu. That's the time I really like eat chicken arroz caldo, but I cannot cook. So now that we are fully recovered, it's the time to satisfy that craving. So, pakuluan lang natin. I will also put half of chicken cube since the first half I put when I was boiling the chicken. Ayan, kumukulo-kulo ang ating chicken with soup. Next, I have here a combined rice and glutinous rice. So, properly washed na siya. Ilagay na natin. Siyempre, it needs to be mixed. Ayan, so napakadali lamang magluto ng chicken arroz caldo. Wait lang natin na maluto yung rice and glutinous rice. Occasionally, you have to mix or stir so that the rice and glutinous rice will not stick into your pot. Ayan. Okay na. Luto na yung chicken arroz caldo. Malapot na. Ayan yung mga chicken. Last, lagyan natin ng ground pepper. You ready to eat? Okay, so I'm here in the yard because I need to pick calamansi for the chicken arroz caldo. Ayan guys, so it's good to have a garden. See, I have green onion leaves for my garnishing. And you can also put calamansi if you like, it depends. So I will just prepare 2 pieces of calamansi. And I also have here 2 pieces of boiled egg. So just peel the egg and then slice according to your preference. If you like it half or slice it into 4, it's okay. At dahil hindi naman ako nagtitipid sa egg, slice ko lang siya in half. There. So, ilagay natin sa ating arroz caldo. Maglalagay ako dito sa bowl. Another one. Ayan, eto na yung chicken arroz caldo. Pero hindi pa tapos. So maglagay tayo ng boiled egg. Next, this is roasted garlic. Then the green onion leaves. Damihan natin. At meron din yung calamansi earlier. So, lagay natin. Eto na yung finished product. Naka-plating na chicken arroz caldo. Another Filipino dish. Filipino comfort food. Let's eat while hot.
We don't usually eat egg, but when it gets shortage, so you guys.
Get the shortage of egg, but that's why
We don't care. No shortage. Oh shit! Where's our eggs?
okay, let's eat. Very hot. Okay, let's eat. Thanks for watching. Mangan tayo.